Good morning, YouTubes. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Cheryl.
And we're Little Trailer Big Adventures. On today's program, we are going to showcase our 26-foot travel trailer.
We've been living in it for 3 months, and we wanted to show you how we've adapted to living in a small space.
Yeah, we just want to showcase that, or point out that it doesn't take $250,000 to $500,000 to get into RVing or even full-time RVing. Let's go give the tour.
Welcome! When you first walk in, we have two cupboards right to your left. The first one we use for our pantry. The second one we use as a coat closet / storage. And we also have a drawer that I use for all my kitchen pots and pans. The rest of our kitchen appliances we keep down here, like our Instant Pot, blender, and griddle. We keep all of our dishes and glasses above the sink. And our cutting boards and cleaning supplies under the sink. This is our newest investment, a convection oven. The reason for it is because we've never used our gas oven. We use it for storage, and that's it. We have a trailer-sized fridge, which means we grocery shop quite often. We added our calendar and our scratch-off map onto this wall. And we keep all of our cutlery and spoons, spatulas, and cooking utensils here.
Hello, welcome to the bedroom. As you can see, there are two linen closets and we each have our own closet. There's also storage under this part of the bed. It lifts up when Simon isn't here. One of the nicest features in the trailer is we ripped out our dinette and put in a love seat from our house. It actually opened up space on either side to allow for extra cabinets for storage and even tray tables to accommodate the lack of a table. It makes the tip out feel huge!
The bathroom is...
It's occupied! It's occupied! The bathroom is basic. We each get our own closet. We have a toilet. Here's your shower. Sink and vanity. And here on the outside we have an outdoor TV unit and a small fridge. Mostly for beer, but we occasionally find water in there too. And finally we have our pass-through, which is currently acting as storage right now because the tonneau cover blew off. You'll find everything from tools to the ball hitch in there, as well as a spare oven, and even a ladder, and 10 pounds of weight, and a broom.
Well, there you have it.
That's our tiny house tour. And you get all of this for around $25,000. Way under $500,000. Way under $250,000.
And it's home.
And it's home. We hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.